Well, welcome to Grandpa Sees the Blinking. Um, Please don't take anything Grandpa says as financial advice, and if you would, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so I got the arrows up now and fine-tuned pretty good for a Tesla stock, and I've got the hull fine-tuned as closely as I can. And of course, we have the Heikin-Ashi Japanese candle. So we got three indicators um, that should give us a buy signal or a sell signal as we go along here. And my intention is to start streaming live approximately 9 a.m. Uh, in the morning and streaming till around 11:30 each day, just letting it run and pointing out different things I see as we go along periodically throughout the day. And I believe if you very likely will make some money with this system. I use it, been using it. I just took me a while to be able to get these arrows on properly and adjust it. So you got three main indicators. Let's start with your first buy signal here, um, which is the reverse candle system with the Heikin-Ashi. So you have the big body of this red candle here, followed by this one here. The body of this one fits into it. The next one fits into it, and this one is green. When you see this candle is going to be green, and this is a 2-minute chart, so at the 1.5 minute point in this candle, you would know that it's going to be green, 99% green. So you would jump in, which is going to be approximately exactly where this arrow is going to tell you to buy. Okay, and then here's what they've done here. You know, like if you have a cash account, this is a killer because if you have a cash account, you can probably only do limited trades, buying up only. So you're looking at best case scenario of not just making too awful much. You're probably going to make 50 cents at best. You know, by the time you buy it and have to resell it. But you'll be awful glad you resold it. Now here we have, we'll stick with the candles here for right now. Here you have this body of this green candle is engulfed into the previous one. The next one is red. As soon as you know this candle is red at the 1.5 minute point, you absolutely are going to sell it. And there again, the arrow is spot on. When you see that arrow, hit the sell button and get out of Dodge. That's Grandpa's humble opinion. Okay. And then thirdly, we have the hull. Okay. The hull backing this up. Now, when the hull is white, it's going down. When it turns purple, and that's so pretty purple, when it turns purple, that's a buy signal. Okay. And as you can see, your hull is giving you, in this scenario, a much better signal. But in real life, as it's trading, that hull is going to be lagging some. So by the time you figure out that it's going white, it's going to be here with this arrow anyway. Okay, it looks better once it's all drawn out, but as it's moving, that line is a lagging, more of a lagging indicator. The the candles and this arrow is pretty close to as quick as I think you can probably get it. I can fine tune it a little bit tighter, but then you end up getting more bear flags or bull flags, and that's not a good scenario either. So the idea is to make money, and when you're in a sideways market, you're not making money anyway, and you as time goes along, you've got to learn whether you're in a sideways market or not. Now here we have the buy signal with the candles. We have the buy signal with the hull, and right here we have the buy signal with the arrow. And if you're happy taking the white line with the hull, you probably could have gained 20, 30 cents with it. Probably, you might have been able to get out with the candles, because this is your sell signal right here. 30 minutes in, a minute and 30 seconds into this candle, you'd know it was red and you'd be selling, okay? But if not, you had an opportunity where it went up again and come back down, and you got your sell candle finally. The idea of the arrow the sell arrow. The idea of the arrow is to keep you in the game so that you're just not in and out. It tries to hold you in so that you have a chance to take a longer run. Okay, so I guess there's probably no right or wrong. So moving along throughout the day, we got a buy signal down here with the candles. We got a buy signal with the hull. The arrow gave us a buy signal, and it's, you could have beat that buy signal by 20, 30 cents possibly. But when you have all three indicators, all three of them, the candles, the hull, and the arrow, because they're all set up a little bit differently, and like I say, I've fine-tuned them as best I can. And now I want to point something out here that's probably pretty important. So you really don't want to sell until you have all your indicators. In Grandpa's opinion, you can do whatever you want. But all right, so say you bought on the arrow. All three indicators are in place. You have like I say, you have a buy signal with the candles. You have a buy signal with the hull, and you have a buy signal with the arrow. So you buy, and you take the ride up. Well, if you're watching the hull, thinking that you've reached the top, the hull changes, but there's no arrow. A matter of fact, you don't even have a good sell signal with the candles at this point. We're moving sideways with indecision, and this is where they get you. They want you to sell here, but if you wait for the arrow, you're selling up here. So you gain 75 cents, whatever. And sure, you could have sold possibly up here, but if you're going with the candles, the candle signal is actually further over it. A matter of fact, truthfully, I don't have a clean sell signal here with the candle. So all you got to go with in this case is that arrow and the hull. And I would absolutely sell it because no matter how good the candles are, when you start getting red candles like this, even if you don't have the perfect setup for a sell, it's time to get out of Dodge. So I'm going to cut this one short, and I'm going to come on at 9 a.m. tomorrow morning, and we'll go live for 2.5 hours or so, and we'll see how this works. So Grandpa did good today, and we'll just have some fun tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.